Today I'm going to show you how to make a lovely winter stew. So you'll need some diced beef, that's 400 grams there, onion, leeks, celery, parsnips and carrots, a swede, some potatoes and some oxo, mixed herbs and sea salt. Okay, so start with the onions, so we'll just chop those up. Okay, and then put them in the lobby pot. This lobby pot's ever so good. It's the Jamie Oliver one. We've had this, I'd say for about 12 months. And then we'll start those off. Now I have prepared the beef, so it's in biteable chunks. You just take the gristle, any gristle off, and we'll fry that up and we'll put some boiling water in there. So we've got the leeks, sliced it down the middle, topped and tailed it, and then what we're going to do is give it a wash because it does get a little bit of soil in there. So while the meat is cooking, what I'm going to do is put some boiling water in there, and then that can start cooking while we prepare the rest of the veg. So that's it, and then we'll put the lid on, put that on full, and then we'll start on the sleeve. Now the easiest way to do this is top and tail it, and then just slice. Sort of just slice down to get that peel off. Just put it there for a minute. And then when you come to actually dice it, we'll just take a couple of layers. And all you do with that I'll put those in. Okay, so chop the rest of the swede up. We'll pop that in. And then we'll make a start on the celery. But first we need to put a little bit of water in there. And then do the tops. And then what we'll do in a minute is we shall just give them a little rinse under the tap, because celery does get rather muddy. Okay, so we'll give these a good wash. So we'll just chop the celery, pop this in, And then we'll carry on with the parsnips and the carrots. This is going to be absolutely gorgeous. As a family, this actually lasts us over 2 days, and we've been having this for years. Winter time. It's beautiful. All that goodness. Okay, so now for the oxos. So if you just squeeze them like this, yeah, and tear the tops off, and there we go, one oxo done. Same for this one. Give it a squeeze, and then that makes it so much easier and quicker. And it's very satisfying. Last one. Oh, this one's a bit tough. That one, there we go. Not to worry, a little bit of a burst there. So we'll get some coarse sea salt. And some mixed herbs. There we go, and that's ready to go in. Okay. Just stir around. What we'll do is put a little bit more water in there. Oh yes, turn it up, that's good. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to chop these parsnips up and the carrots. And then we're going to put them in the pan. Now if they are a bit big, just put them in half. The aim is to get the vegetables small enough so they fit onto a spoon. And you have them. So I'll put those in. This in there now. Now see how that's all, oh that looks lovely, that does. So the oxo now is all dissolved, and all the herbs are in there as well. The thing is, if you put it straight in the pan, they might not dissolve, so that's why I do it like that. And then I'll just add the rest of the carrots, and then we'll top it up with a little bit of water. Looks beautiful, that does, doesn't it? So what I've done is I've cut the potatoes up into sizable chunks, and then what we're going to do is we're going to add them now into the wobble pot. So let's just put that there for a moment. Well, what I'll do is I'll put them in all in like this on the plate, so we don't burn the fingers. Okay, and the rest. Okay, let's take the whole thing up.
I'll wash this one.
Yeah, give that one a wash for me. That's great, thank you. Got my assistant helping me. That's it, pop it on there. Brilliant, thanks assistant. And then don't worry if you think, oh that's a bit too full. What you have to do is just Stamp it down. No,
you
give it a
do
good
the
stir. That's it, like you do with the tiling. Give it a stir. And then we may have to just top it up a little bit with some water so it's everything is submerged. And then what we'll do is we'll leave that for at least 2 hours. And then all those will go nice and soft and tender. The meat will just break apart. It'll be absolutely gorgeous. So I think a tiny little bit of water in there and then we'll be done. Top it up. I think that's perfect. Lid on. And number 2. And then we'll come back to that in 2 hours and we'll see how it is. So here we go. Let's have a little look and see what it looks like. Oh yes, it's all broken down now. That really looks beautiful. And here we are. Dinner is served. So we have some bread and butter and some lovely stew, beef stew for all the family. And we've got double for tomorrow as well. So thanks for watching. Good luck with yours. See you in the next video. Bye.